Hello everybody, welcome to Reggie Boy. In July last month, almost on the day, we dealt with Tropical Storm Faye barreling up the East Coast right into the New York City area. And this month, we're already talking about another tropical storm. Well, it actually is a hurricane. It's Hurricane Isaias, and it is about to barrel into South Carolina near the Myrtle Beach area. If you're looking at the radar right here, you can see it's a tightly wound storm, pretty intense. It's been growing over these warm waters off the southeast coast, and it's just going to barrel straight up. There's tons of rain out ahead of it, and that is already affecting parts of the Northeast as we speak. If I move us a little bit north, you can see that here to orient you. This is Pennsylvania and New Jersey right here. You can see heavy downpours already breaking out in central PA and in New Jersey, and more down closer to the storm in Virginia. And that is only going to move north throughout the night, so the rain is coming. Now, what happens tomorrow? Tomorrow is the main event, and let's go right through the model. So here it is right here. Here's the storm. Barrels up South Carolina, North Carolina. Now, look at the heavy rain on the northwest side of the storm. That's where the rain is. Most of the wind is on the north and east side of the storm. So keep that in mind as it tracks basically right up the Delmarva through Philadelphia, upstate New York, and then into New Hampshire, Vermont area. All right, so here it is right here. Here's the heavy rain breaking out. But now notice how quickly it's moving. That is for flooding. That's a little bit of an advantage there. But still, these areas we're looking at 3 to 7 inches of rain over a huge area of the country. Millions and millions of people impacted by this storm. Boston, not too much rain. New York City will get 1 to 3 inches of rain. Philly, probably 3 to 5 inches. DC, probably 4 to 6 inches of rain. And then it's all gone by Wednesday. Now, what you need to worry about is that when the storm comes in, it's going to hit and be intense for about a 6-hour period over your neighborhood. Downpours, heavy winds, gusts up to 50, 60 miles an hour if you're in the main part of that of the storm where you see that heavy rain. All right, so it's going to be intense in New York City for a couple hours, Philly probably for 6 hours, DC for 6 hours. So just be aware of that. Tomorrow it'll start in the morning in DC and just work its way up the coast. Most of the day tomorrow in Philadelphia is a washout. New York City, most of the afternoon on is a washout, and for Boston, the evening is when the worst will hit. And in Boston, the winds could actually be heaviest up there because they're on that eastern side of the storm. All right, folks, that is the update for now. I'll keep you posted with any changes. I'll leave you with this. This is a projection of that rainfall, that heavy rainfall going up the coast. It's kind of like a stripe of heavy rain right on up. Stay safe, and I'll let you know if there's any updates.